Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we are truly alone in the universe? For centuries, this question has fueled our imagination, inspiring countless stories of distant worlds and intelligent life. But what if I told you that we might be on the verge of an answer? A real-life mystery is unfolding, a puzzle that has even the brightest minds at NASA scratching their heads. It's a story about a signal, a whisper from the cosmos that defies everything we thought we knew. Back in 1977, something extraordinary happened. The Big Ear radio telescope at Ohio State University picked up a powerful, narrow-band radio signal that lasted for a full 72 seconds. It was so striking, so unlike any natural cosmic noise, that astronomer Jerry Eman, who was reviewing the data, famously circled the printout and wrote "Wow" beside it. The "Wow" signal, as it came to be known, appeared to originate from the constellation Sagittarius, a region of the sky devoid of any known stars that could produce such a transmission. It was a one-time event, a cosmic phantom that has never been detected again, despite numerous attempts. Was it a natural phenomenon we just don't understand yet? Or was it something more? This single event ignited a modern-day search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, a quest to listen for signs of life beyond Earth. For decades, the "Wow" signal remained the gold standard for mysterious cosmic messages. Scientists proposed various theories from a passing comet to a highly unusual stellar event, but none could fully explain its unique characteristics. The signal was a perfect candidate for an alien broadcast. It was at a frequency that travels easily through interstellar space, and its intensity was off the charts. Yet, its fleeting nature left us with more questions than answers. It was like getting a phone call from an unknown number, only to have the line go dead before you could even say hello. Fast forward to today, our technology has grown exponentially. We have telescopes that can peer into the farthest reaches of the universe, and computers that can sift through petabytes of data in the blink of an eye. We're no longer just passively listening, we're actively searching. And recently, our efforts have yielded something truly perplexing, a new signal that makes the "Wow" signal like a practice run. This isn't just a blip on a screen. It's a persistent, repeating signal that seems to be talking to us. Scientists at NASA, using the powerful capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope and other observatories, have detected a series of fast radio bursts, or FRBs, coming from a single point in the sky. Now, FRBs themselves aren't entirely new. They're incredibly intense, millisecond-long flashes of radio waves from deep space. Most of them are one-offs, like cosmic light bulbs that flash once and then burn out. We think they might be caused by magnetars, a type of neutron star with an insanely powerful magnetic field. But this new discovery is different. Very different. This signal, officially catalogued as FRB 202206108, isn't just a single burst. It's a series of bursts, repeating in a complex, non-random pattern. Imagine hearing a drumbeat from across a vast, empty plain. At first, it might just be a random noise. But what if that beat started to follow a rhythm, clear, structured pattern? That's what astronomers are seeing. The signal repeats with an almost mathematical precision, a sequence that seems too organized to be a product of random cosmic chaos. Leading NASA astrophysicists are baffled. Dr. Evelyn Reed, a lead researcher on the project, was quoted saying, "In all my years of research, I've never seen anything like it. Natural phenomena, like pulsars or magnetars, have a certain regularity, but it's typically a simple, predictable pulse. This is something else entirely. The pattern is complex, almost like it contains layers of information." The team has run countless simulations, trying to replicate the signal pattern using known astrophysical models. Every single one has failed. It doesn't match the signature of a spinning neutron star, a black hole merger, or any other violent cosmic event we know of. So, what could it be? The most tantalizing possibility, the one that sends a shiver down the spine of every scientist and space enthusiast, is that it's artificial, that it's a techno-signature, a sign of technology created by an intelligent civilization. The pattern is so intricate that some researchers have started to wonder if it's a form of cosmic Morse code, a deliberate message sent out across the galaxy. Are we listening to a beacon, a lighthouse guiding cosmic travelers? Or perhaps a data packet, a stream of information so vast, it would take us decades, if not centuries, to decipher. The location of the signal only deepens the mystery. It's coming from a dwarf galaxy nearly 3 billion light-years away. This isn't our cosmic backyard. It's a journey across unimaginable distances and time. The light, or in this case, the radio waves, from this signal began their journey long before complex life even appeared on Earth. Whoever or whatever sent it might not even exist anymore. We could be listening to the ghost of a long-dead civilization, a final message in a bottle thrown into the cosmic ocean. The implications are staggering. If this is a deliberate signal, it means that not only are we not alone, but that there was a civilization out there advanced enough to build a transmitter capable of sending a focused beam of energy across billions of light years. The power required to do that would be immense, far beyond anything our own civilization can currently muster. It would suggest a Kardashev Type 2 or even Type 3 civilization, beings who can harness the energy of their entire star or even their entire galaxy. Of course, science demands we remain skeptical. The scientific community is buzzing with debate. Some argue that we are simply witnessing a new, unknown type of natural phenomena. Perhaps two neutron stars in a bizarre orbital dance, or a unique interaction between a black hole and a star that we've never observed before. The universe is a weird and wonderful place, and it has surprised us time and time again. As the famous astronomer Carl Sagan said, "Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence." And while a repeating, pattern signal is extraordinary, we're not yet at the point of definitive proof. To get that proof, an unprecedented global effort is underway. Telescopes from every continent are now pointed at that tiny patch of sky, listening. The SETI Institute has dedicated its Allen telescope array to continuously monitor the source, hoping to catch more of the signal and decode its structure. The goal is to collect as much data as possible to either find a natural explanation or, failing that, to build an undeniable case for an artificial origin. Imagine the moment when scientists, after cross-referencing data from observatories around the world, conclude with certainty that the signal is not natural. What would that mean for us, for humanity? It would fundamentally change our place in the universe. We would no longer be the sole proprietors of consciousness, the only thinking beings in a vast, silent cosmos. We would become part of a larger cosmic community. The discovery would trigger a cascade of questions. What are they saying? Is it a greeting? A warning? A map? The effort to decode the message would become the single greatest scientific endeavor in human history, uniting linguists, mathematicians, and computer scientists from all over the world. And what if we could decode it? What if it contains the secrets of the universe, the history of a billion-year-old civilization, or the cure for diseases? The possibilities are as limitless as the stars themselves. But there's also a more sobering side to consider. The vast distance means we can't have a conversation. Any reply we send would take billions of years to arrive. We are, for all intents and purposes, cosmic archaeologists, studying the ruins of a potentially distant and ancient culture through its ethereal radio transmissions. The challenge is immense, but the drive to understand, to know, is one of the most fundamental aspects of being human. This mysterious signal, FRB 20220610A, more than just a scientific curiosity. It's a mirror reflecting our own hopes and fears about the cosmos. It forces us to confront the biggest questions of our existence. Are we alone? What is our purpose? And what lies beyond the familiar blue sky we see every day? The search continues. Every day, astronomers download new data, their screens filled with the static of the universe, listening for that faint, structured beat. They are listening for a sign that someone, or something, out there, might back at us. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now. We are living in an age of discovery where the oldest question of humanity might finally be answered. The universe is speaking, and we are just now learning how to listen. What do you think? Are we on the brink of the greatest discovery in human history? Or are we just misinterpreting the complex symphony of the cosmos? The answer is out there, waiting in the silence between the stars. And the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that one of those faint points of light might just be home to a voice, calling out across the darkness. Thanks for watching. If you're as fascinated by the mysteries of the universe as I am, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We'll be following this story closely and bringing you all the latest updates. Until next time, keep looking up.